Users can check the collision due to the robot movement using the 3D simulator function of RCX-Studio2020. In this video, we will explain how to check the collision. Click the model to perform the collision check, and set collision check in property to enable. When disable is set, a collision check will not be performed. If you want to add a margin to the outline of the target model when performing a collision check, enter a value in the collision margin. If a margin is set for each of the two approaching models, collision will be detected when the two models enter the sum of the two margins. Click Collision Check Enable button to perform a collision check. The target model will be in the collision checking status until once you click Collision Check Enable button again. Move the robot by jog operation or program execution. When a collision is detected, the collided models turn red, and a collision notification message appears. To clear the collision notification, close the collision notification message, and click Collision Check Enable button to abort the collision check. Then click Clear Collision Warning button. Once you change the robot to uncollided status by jog operation, etc., click Clear Collision Warning button. If you click Clear Collision Warning button while in the collision status, the collision notification message appears again. By changing the environment settings, users can change the behavior of collision check. Click Environment Setting, and click Collision Check tab. If stop the program when a collision detected is checked. And when a collision is detected while a jog operation, a collision notification message appears and the movement stops. And when a collision is detected while a program execution, a collision notification message appears and the program stops. Users cannot move a robot until the notification message is closed. If stop the program when a collision detected is not checked. And when a collision is detected while a jog operation, collided models turn red, but a collision notification message will not be displayed, and the movement continues. And when a collision is detected while a program execution, collided models turn red, but a collision notification message will not be displayed and the program continues. If Auto Clear Collision Warning is checked. And when a collision is detected while moving, collided models turn red. And once you change the models to uncollided status, the red colored display will be cleared. if auto clear collision warning is not checked, and when a collision is detected while moving, collided models turn red. And even you change the models to uncollided status, the color remains red. If both stop the program when a collision is detected, and auto clear collision warning are checked, and when a collision is detected while moving, collided models turn red, and a collision notification message appears and the movement stops. And when a collision notification message is closed and models are in uncollided status, the red colored display will be cleared automatically. If set 1 to the following variable when a collision is detected is checked, and when a collision is detected while the collision check, the value of specified variable will be 1. Either a system variable or a user variable can be specified. However, even if you clear the collision notification, the value of the variable will not be cleared. Depending on the software processing environment, the collision will not be detected properly. In this case, please perform the check over again or decrease the auto speed. That is all the explanation of collision check.